Tuesday's arrest and subsequent arraignment in court of Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu is a subject that has shaped public discourse. Seemingly caught unawares, the judiciary appears rattled by this daring assault by the country's anti-graft busters. Chief Justice David Maraga left hoping that the law will be followed to the letter in prosecution of his deputy.
She has been discharging those responsibilities since she came to the office. Okay. Yeah, she's the person who is been performing the position of the judiciary ombudsperson. Okay. Yeah.
And don't you think by...
Leave it at that. I don't want to comment on matters that I got.
On his part, Kericho Governor Paul Chepkwony is opposed to the manner in which the DCJ was apprehended.
It is very important that the presence of the judiciary are respected. I'm very sure the Deputy Chief Justice is decent enough. If she's called to appear at any police station, she can do it without necessarily having to be embarrassed. And this is the same thing I'm requesting. If, for example, the governor of Kericho has violated the constitution in some way, can I be called and told you're wanted at Parkland's police? Why should I be handcuffed and I'm within the country? I can drive myself. So the issue of dramatizing is not really the way to do it.
The county chief believes the war on corruption is becoming selective, as other state officers have not been held, as has been the case with DCJ.
You know, I'm very happy at least so many governors have been arrested and cases are going on. Of course, some have been arrested in a very dramatic manner, in a very humiliating manner. This should not be the case. MCAs have been arraigned in court, and this is at county level. Can we see the same at the national level? Can we see whenever an MP is faced with allegations, can there be a similar rush? Whenever senators are also faced with a similar allegation, can there be the same rush and urgency to want to find out whether it's true or false? Can we also apply the same standards to the national government ministers?
Chepkwony is not alone, as lobby groups wonder why cases involving certain state officials have not been concluded. While expressing support for the anti-graft war, Bungela Walipa Ushuru wants the DPP to revisit the 2015 scandal at the National Youth Service and push for the prosecution of its culprits.
Institute fresh investigation and public inquest into first found case at the National Youth Service. We also call for a lifestyle audit on those advancedly mentioned on the scandal to establish whether they indeed have resources that they got irregularly.
This plea was received well by the office of the DPP, which is promising to reopen all cases of economic crimes.
Initially, you would get a matter filed in court, then a prohibition would be issued, and even a case would stay even for 5 years without moving on. But this has really changed since the coming up of the High Court Anti-Corruption Division.
Deputy DPP Emily Kamau disclosed this when the Multi-Agency Task Force on Investigation and Prosecution of Corruption appeared before the Senate Legal Affairs Committee. Senators had expressed concern at the rate at which the DPP was forced to withdraw corruption-related cases, especially in 2017.
May 2015, the EACC commissioners left office. And between May 13th May 2015 and all the way to 18th January 2016, EACC was not properly constituted. We did not have the commissioners.
Eric Biegon reporting for Channel 1 News.